doing it the hard way. Now watch this.
I told you this AI can make videos from one image.
Yeah. Next you'll say it can do my job too.
It already did.
Wait.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create stunning videos using the LTX 5-in-1 workflow, from text to video, image to video, and advanced video transformations.
Introducing the LTX 5-in-1 workflow. Transform images into video. Create videos from text. Restyle videos with prompt or reference image using pose, Canny, and depth ControlNet. Or combine an image and audio to bring your scenes to life. Let's get started. I'll walk you through how each of these workflows works, along with some real examples. Let's start with the first one, image to video. Simply upload an image, add your prompt, choose the resolution, and set the length. The system will then transform it into a video, complete with speech and other sound effects.
I only know 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why.
I created a character in full HD resolution using the FluxCline workflow, then brought it into the LTX image to video workflow. From there, I simply added speech directly into the prompt, enclosed in brackets. For resolution, I usually stick to HD 720 by 1280, which works well on a 24GB VRAM GPU. If you're using something more powerful, like an RTX 5090 with 32GB of VRAM, you can push it to full HD.
Hello. This is a simple demonstration of a talking character generated from an image. The goal is to create natural, facial expressions, and smooth motion.
Next, I created a more realistic character using the Z-image workflow. Let's see how LTX handles it. This 14-second video was generated in about 240 seconds on an RTX 4090.
This is a simple demonstration of a talking character generated from an image. The goal is to create natural speech, realistic facial expressions, and smooth motion.
Now let's take a look at some more examples, created with the Z-image workflow and animated using LTX 2.3 image to video. Now let's take a look at the LTX text-to-video workflow. To set the resolution based on an aspect ratio, simply leave the width and height at 0, then choose your desired aspect ratio. The system will automatically set it to around 1 megapixel. If you need a precise resolution, just enter the width and height manually. This will override the aspect ratio setting. Next, write your prompt. You can set the video length anywhere between 7 and 20 seconds. And that's it. Let's take a look at some examples.
I only know 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why.
Hooray! RAM prices dropped 5%. Only 495% more to go.
Look at them staring at glowing rectangles all day. Yeah, and they call us animals. At least we go outside.
Don't judge a bra by its cover. Put your hand inside and discover.
In my time, we had no internet. And guess what? We still survived without posting about it.
I told my computer I needed a break. Now it won't stop sending me errors.
Love to be on the sun. I mean, under the sun. Sunny, come here.
Hey, Mom. It was not me. It was the dog. I swear.
Now I'll show you the video-to-video workflow, which currently includes 3 ControlNets pose, Canny, and depth. In my experience, the pose ControlNet is the most powerful, as it can generate an entirely new scene based on your prompt. To switch between ControlNets, simply connect them like this, as shown here. Let's take a look at some examples.
To be like me, you need to do this. To be like me, you need to do this.
I don't know why am I doing this. Oh my god, my fingers. I don't know why am I doing this. I don't know. Why am I doing this? Oh my god, my fingers.
I don't know why am I doing this. My god, my fingers!
Now let's move on to the next workflow, video to video with a reference image. Here, you can use an image and animate it using ControlNet. To create the reference image, you'll need to take the first frame from your input video. I've prepared a Fluxcline workflow that restyles this first frame while keeping the original composition. Now I'll show you how to create some cool styles for your reference image. Upload your video, write a prompt, or simply choose a style, and generate your reference images. I applied these styles to the first frame. Now let's see how the videos look with each of them.
I am strong, I am wealthy, I am healthy.
Alright, now let's take a look at the final workflow. This one uses your input audio and an image to make your character talk or even sing.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird.
When you breathe with your diaphragm, it would sound something like this. It wouldn't be very, very low. You need to get very close to the microphone. You need to drop your voice.
Il pourrait braver la tempête et il pourrait braver l'enfer.
All Patreon members have access to the Studio Discord channel, where you can download the ComfyUI Studio workflows. The required models will be downloaded automatically on the first run using the downloader node. If you're using SimplePod, just drag the workflow into your workspace, update ComfyUI and the KJ nodes, and you're good to go. And that's the LTX workflow, from idea to video, all in one pipeline. Now it's your turn. Create something incredible.